Today here, we're just gonna do the do's and the don'ts, how to put one of the Lily lock, one of our newest inventions, the cap together. It's so simple. The only little hiccup could be these they're little like sprockets that hold in. We gotta make sure that they're flush. If one's sticking out, it'll cause the frame, the side of this cabinet, not to lock in, because this has no play in it. It's gonna be all the plywood that's gonna have that same profile that's gonna be opposite of this one where it locks it together. This spring does all the work. They're all the way over. You see the two at the top. You can see multiple. This happens to be a 42-inch cabinet. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of these guys. So just take the little, I just got a little plastic applicator that'll come with every unit. So this is meant for like doing auto body work or even drywall. So I just take that, slide that, make sure those are all flush. It only takes a second to go through all of them. You just want to make sure they're all lined up perfectly, all in the same position. So that'll give you that. I want to show this right here. We didn't actually, this is actually a little sample just to show how this works. I'm going to pop this one out right here. This is actually the spring that it does all the work. Believe it or not, you see, almost looks like the old car springs. It's got a little push there, a little push there, and a little push there. That does all the work. So I'm going to slide this one back in, back in the hole. So again, I got to make sure it is, I'll put this on the top. This has to just take this little thing just to make sure it's straight all the way across like that. And same at the front and same at the back. Again, I'm going to take this here. I know which side it goes in. I'm just going to take that there. And you can hear it, listen. It clicked in. You can't pull it apart. It's strong, super strong. So you got to cross that. So you could see through the clear plastic that it locked all the way in there on all sides. So give you a little bit of an illustration.